Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we are going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. The major currency pair stays pressured around 1.1285 level, near a two-week low amid the initial Asian session on Wednesday, following a downtrend for 2 days in a row. Despite the greenback's lack of movement, market participants begin to predict at least 3 rate hikes as portrayed by US money market futures, expecting the first hike as soon as the bond taper ends in March 2022. As for the macroeconomic data, German retail sales expanded at a monthly rate of 0.6% in November and contracted 0.2% over the last 12 months, while in the US docket, the ISM manufacturing surprised by the downside at 58.7 last month, which could support euro bulls for a short time. Next, AUDUSD, and it showed the bearish dynamic around 0.7235 by the early Wednesday morning in Asia, while bulls took a break during the previous day's corrective pullback. The Aussie pair cheered cautious optimism in the markets, as well as upbeat data at home and softer US figures to consolidate Monday's heavy losses. It's also worth noting that a jump in the global vaccinations also keeps policymakers hopeful of overcoming the pandemic, which creates a favorable market sentiment for riskier assets like gold, equities and AUDUSD. Such risk catalysts as the US ADP employment change in December and the Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes will be closely watched by AUDUSD traders this week. Last, gold, and the price of yellow metal is stuck at the $1,815 level, having risen from $1,800 since yesterday's US session. Investors are betting on a strong recovery as the COVID fears are getting weaker, which sent concerns into the tech sectors, pressuring the Nasdaq that ended down 1.4% in its biggest decline since December. This week's US non-farm payrolls will be one of the key events. The minutes of the last FOMC meeting will be released today. Traders will watch the language to understand when a rate hike could happen, as Fed is going to hike the rates as potentially soon as this quarter to deal with rising inflation. So for now, these are the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.